হ্যাঁ কালকে আসিল হ্যাঁ দাও তো চলতেছে নাকি আবার কয় যে বন্ধ রয়েছে কিবা শুইন ভালো শুননি হ্যাঁ রোজা থাক শুইন আপনি রোজা শুইন Alright. Phone. I got the money bags, the camera is recording. Pretty cool. Let's go. In Bangladesh. Oh, sorry. Forget to greet. Hi, good afternoon, everyone. Hope you all are doing good and my voice is a little bit clear, I guess. Alright, this road is very congested and we had to go through a lot of hassle to overcome that. But now we are going to a village for no reason, just to show you the village beauty. But before that, one of my friends is working on his own bike in a garage, I guess, nearby here. Let me go see. Oi. Kone? Okay. Alright, I was looking for my friend, but he's not here. He went to somewhere else. So basically, response. He's a moron, so that's why I hung too much. But anyway, they do the whole servicing and change literally everything because from the time I bought this, alright, now I'm gonna speed down a little bit. So from the time I bought this motorbike, I did not change anything at all, like the chain and the chain sprocket, the throttle wires and everything. So everything was literally faulty. So, okay, where is one more? Now, what I did is, my dad sent the motorbike to the service center and said to change all the major part. And I said to the service center to change exactly the things that I need to change. And they changed every single thing. And now, it's really quick response. And as you can see, I can show you right now. Let me show you right now how quick it is. Now I'm gonna go to take the road a bit. I'm not sure whether you can hear my voice or not because I'm not shaking at all and I don't have any idea, and the GoPro mic would be so noisy because of the heavy wind. So bus behind me. Oh, I'm not sure whether he wants to pass. That's what is this? This road is going, so this is a station area. I just crossed the station using the bypass, but there is a railway station here and you can go from, like, you can go to anywhere from here to Dhaka, like the capitals and everything. So I'm gonna speed down a little bit, let the tuk-tuk go away. All right. This road is a little bit windy, but we're gonna move out. We're gonna shift to the another road after some time, and that road is will be a little bit wider compared to this one. I'm still fasting, but I'm okay, I can ride. All the sensors are working in my body, don't worry. Ooh, okay. I think the mic I'm using, it's outside, so it's catching a lot of wind. The mic. Is this? No, this is not the mic. This. Okay, this is mic. All right. I think now you can hear. Oh, someone texted me. Okay. My friend called me. Maybe I look for him. That's why he's looking for me. But anyway, we don't have any time to look at this. So I'm gonna show you a river. Let me go down a little bit because this road goes to another village. The last time I showed you the exact same river. This time I'm gonna show you again. Okay. Do the clutch. Now you can see the whole river. It's literally dried out. You can see here. Let me show. You see, the whole river is dried out. You can see it's literally dried out. And there are some people are drizzling and everything. Hi! কিবা আসুন ভালো আসুন নি হ্যাঁ রোজা থাকছুন আপনি রোজা আসুন হ্যাঁ কয়টা রোজা আসুন মিছা কথা নি আসা কথা কইতেছেন নি হ্যাঁ আসা কথা ধন্যবাদ আর দেখা হইব just made some fun with the local kids, and well, there is a stairs. I can go down to the stairs, I think, but I cannot come up, so I prefer not to go. But anyway, you can see the river. There's no waters and everything. It's entirely dried out because it's the beginning of the summer. So, well, that's it. Let's go. I was like them when I was younger. Like I was a child, I used to ride bicycle just like this people as well. Oh fuck, what the fuck they're doing? Okay. Recording. All right. Let me see the things behind me. And you can see, like, well, this whole river, there's no water at all. But last time you see the entire, like, there are big giant, like not giant, like some kind of ships are transporting some sand from one place to another. Now they're not doing it anymore. This side too. But anyway, who the fuck is that? Eh? Alright. I'm not gonna race with you. You are too... Holy shit! What the hell that guy is doing? Shit! Scratching the foot while riding the motorbike. It is very... Alright. Oh. Okay. Oops. The road condition is very bad. The finishing is not good. I mean, all right. Bloody tourist. Nobody has a helmet. Well, I'm not surprised because I grew up in this area, so I know nobody usually wears helmet. They're not health conscious. Why? Because they're stupid. It's not basically health conscious, it's life consciousness, I guess. But you can see it's all green, it's all... Yeah, green, that's it. Is there anyone calling me? No. The beauty of the village road is basically the more deeper you go, the more peaceful it becomes. Well, I can go a little bit faster, but I simply don't want to because you cannot enjoy. Like, we have to enjoy. That's the pond. Well. There's a mosque. I'm not sure, I never came to this route before, but I'll not follow that route, I'll go this way. Alright, where this route will take me? Let's go. Well, technically I literally have like 2 hours to do anything, and my like the time that I will break my fast is 6 o'clock approximately, so I still have 2 hours to do anything. And if I don't want to go home right now, because if I go home right now, then I have 2 hours of time that I don't have anything to do, and it will not pass. domestic animal market. I don't know what's the good word, but that's the best word came in my head. I'm not sure where this route will take me, but this route seems like very nice and good finish, so I will ride here for some time, and then I will ask someone where is the way out that I can use to go my home. Hopefully you can see. You can literally see it. Let me show you. It's mustard field, so you cannot see the mustard flower, unfortunately. It's very good and yellow color, but now it's off season a little bit, like after the season, so you cannot see the mustards. People will harvest within a few days, yes. So the flowers is gone, now the crops are still there. This is corn. Right. Oh, okay, I understand. This route, okay. I know it. It was right. This will take me to the city. Pure peace. I'm not doing any cornering, you might notice, because I just want to keep things safe. Previously I used to do a lot of cornering, but now I don't. Like at least this time I will not do, because I have a return flight to Japan 2 days after, and I don't want to make any mess or accident and lose my bones or anything. Entirely, but this is a playing ground. People usually play football in here. A little bit cornering. Okay. It's the same river, and it doesn't. I hope I can show you. Let me stop my bike. Wait. Here. You can see. Okay. I don't know. The water is very greenish because of the plankton, I guess. And people are bathing, washing clothes and doing everything. Well, there is still some amount of water, but not too much. and people started to cultivate the crops like the rice and everything. But last time when I show you, you've seen that there is like the river is entirely filled by water, but now it's not. But it's really peaceful. Like when we were a child, we used to, let me pull out the key and let me tell you a story. When we were kids, like we used to study in like 5th grade or 6th grade or 7th grade, we used to come here. And like when we were like 7th or 8th grade student, we used to come here with our dad's motorbike. So and go there. That's basically an overpass for the train, and it built like over more than 200 years ago, built by the British, and it's still working perfectly fine. And we used to go there, and you can see there are a lot of people basically are there at this moment. So it's a little bit risky, because when the train comes, you have to be very careful, very cautious, so that you don't get stuck in the rail lines or fall. So, you can see the water, the depth, and there's a fisherman which fishing. All right. Okay, my childhood was very good, very enjoyable. Let's go. Okay, now I guess it will be fine. Alright, it's the opposite of the sun, because the sun is setting now. So you're gonna have a minor amount of glare. Not good. Hey, who is that terrorist? My mic. Mic is still there. Whew. Oh, dangerous. That's the bottle in the middle of the road. Shouldn't be there. Cornering, low gear. Oh, fuck, that. Come on. That tricycle just freaked it up. I was about to do it. This is big. This is very good 90 degrees. But anyway, my dad is calling. Let me receive the call. Wait. Alright. Stupid peoples. It's just 3:55. 2 more hours to break the fast. It's too early, I guess. Whew. Stupid. My microphone again got misplaced, I guess. Oh, it's right in here. It'll stay right in here. Same bike, but they don't have a registration number. I believe they don't have a license as well. In Bangladesh it happens a lot. You cannot trust anyone, so stay away from those people to avoid the accident. No cornering because you cannot see what's on the other side. Maybe here. Okay, somehow. In Bangladesh, you literally have to honk a lot because otherwise the peoples is not going to be cautious. ওকে আবার গেল নাকি আরেক দিক আচ্ছা আচ্ছা ও তো রোজা মোজা থাকে না হ্যাঁ কালকে আসিল হ্যাঁ দাও তো চলতেছে নাকি আবার কয় যে বন্ধ রয়েছে ভালো করে দাও এখন দাও তো কি হয় এখন চালু হলো এই যে কেমন চালু হ্যাঁ ডিসপ্লে তো বন্ধই থাকে, চার্জ তাছাড়া ফুরিয়ে যাবে না।
আবার আবার কবে কতদিন আছে এনে?
2 দিন।
2 দিন করে যেটা খালি টিহার গোল্লাই যায় নাকি কোম্পানি?
না টাকা ভার্সিটির,
হ্যাঁ
সরকারের
টিহার সরকার।
টাকা সর।
আপনার কিছু
আমার কিছু চাই আসে, আমি খালি আসি ঘুরে ফিরে। কোনে ওর কি হয়েছে, আর মোটরসাইকেলে কি হয়েছে?
মোটরসাইকেলে পানিওয়ালা গাড়ি তো, পানিওয়ালা গাড়ি তাহলে পানি দিয়ে আর তাপ সহ্য করা লাগবে না,
হ্যাঁ
পানি খাওয়া লাগবে।
এটা এটা কবে কিনলো?
কোনটা?
এই যে বেনেলি, না এটা তো সিবিআর। ওই যে বেনেলি কবে কিনছে?
রেলে কিনছে তো তাও 1.5 বছর হয়ে গেল।
তাই ওটা একটু চালাবো এখন।
5 কিনছে কয়দিন ধরে।
হ্যাঁ কি R15? কোনটা কিনছে এটা? কয়টাতে কিনছে? ধরি ধরে ওটা কিনে নি ওর কাছ থেকে। কোনে R1? এই যে না, এক্সস্ট মেক্সস্ট চেঞ্জ করা দি, এক্সস্ট চেঞ্জ করা।
ওই আগের মালিক করছে।
ও আচ্ছা
এখন ওটা দিয়ে তো আপনার করতেছি।
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা। হ্যাঁ এটা কি ভার্সন 3 না 2? ভার্সন আচ্ছা বুঝছি। হ্যাঁ ভালো।